This is a set of 6 sheep, complete with a compact sound system to create the authentic sound of sheep bleating, by Fowler in HO gauge. The system requires either a 12 volts DC, or 16 volts AC, auxiliary power supply to operate. In the box, you will find the sheep and sound system, ready for installation. The sheep come professionally hand-painted, and are independent of the sound system, so can be placed on a diorama, or lay out in a place of your choosing. The soundboard and speaker can be hidden under the baseboard, or in a suitable model building. There is no switch included in the pack, as each modeler will prefer a different type, but effects can be operated by any switch, from a simple on-off switch, to an automated setup involving reed switches and relays. Once power is supplied to the circuit, the sound effect will last for several seconds before a retrigger is required. Full instructions are also included to help with installation. The sheep with working sound effect set by Fowler. The soundboard measures 45 by 25 mm, and the speaker measures 35 by 20 mm. Both have a depth of 10 mm.